I am going to make a maple, mushroom, and chestnut quinoa. I'm using shiitake mushrooms, which I love because they're earthy and firm. This is quinoa. And if you've never tried quinoa before, definitely give it a shot. It's a little bit nutty, it's a grain, definitely worth it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a toast before I cook it because that'll really develop its nutty flavor. And speaking of nuts, these are chestnuts. And I gave them a bit of a toast in the oven, and right before I did that, I scored the top so the skin kind of peeled back, making it a lot easier to peel. If you've never had a roasted warm chestnut before, you're missing out. These things are butter once you bite into them. I can smell that my quinoa is toasted because it sort of smells a little bit nutty, but you can also see that it's golden brown as well. To this, all I need to add is chicken stock. I like to use stock instead of water because it's just a little bit more flavor. Each quinoa is gonna soak up that chicken stock, and it's just gonna puff right up about 3 times the size. I'm going to make a maple and balsamic marinade for my mushrooms and my chestnuts. Big old glug of maple syrup, some tangy balsamic, and some olive oil. All this needs now is some fresh and woody rosemary. Give it a nice rough chop to release those flavors. Mushrooms are like sponges. They're gonna soak up all of that flavor, and once I grill them, all of the sugars from the maple syrup is gonna caramelize and get really, really delicious. These are ready to be grilled. I'm just gonna brush a little bit of oil onto my hot grill so my mushrooms don't stick. Just try to drain off any of that excess dressing. And in no time at all, my mushrooms have caramelized and candied. And I'm just gonna add them right into my pot of quinoa. But don't throw away your marinade because that's gonna come in handy soon enough. Now remember when I said that dressing was gonna come in handy? While my quinoa is still warm, I'm gonna add this back to the quinoa, and it's even gonna soak up that much more flavor. Oh wow, it really does smell like maple syrup. I've got some fresh peppery arugula, which is gonna wilt down ever so slightly once I put my warm quinoa on top. That maple dressing with the warm quinoa and mushrooms. Oh, this looks so good. For some zesty creaminess, goat's cheese on top. And the tanginess of the goat's cheese is really gonna play off the sweetness in the mushrooms. And just to finish it all off, some pretty little microgreens. So healthy and so full of flavor. I have a feeling this is gonna be really delicious. That maple syrup is honestly the star of this. That's the first thing that I tasted. And the mushrooms with the char grilled bits, really delicious, caramelized. Those chestnuts are candied ever so slightly on the outside, but still really smooth and buttery on the inside. And the goat's cheese really does add a much needed zesty kick.